to this video. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I got these chopping mats at Dollar Tree a few days ago, and I'm going to use them to make some dividers for the sticker album that I'm doing right now. So there was two pieces, and it's like frosted on one side and clear on the other in the package. So I have my Happy Planner punch. It's the classic size. So I'm going to line it up and punch the things in it. I had to put my whole body weight in this video, y'all. Like, I was standing up and I just had to get some elbow grease in there. So it does punch through, but I did kind of mess up one before this one. So it's like a cooking show, right? So here's the one I didn't mess up, but I still was able to save the other one. I used it out of the two chopping mats. I was able to get 4 dividers out of it, and I'm doing it for the classic size. These are some cardstocks that I already had punched and cut, so I'm gonna just use that kind of as a template because I have a small little cutting mat that I got from Staples. It was like $20. I was being cheap, so I'm gonna just use some scissors and like cut it lengthwise so that way it can fit into the cutting mat. And it does cut with regular scissors too. Like, these are pretty thin little mats, so I was happy about that. And I saw this video idea on YouTube a few months ago, and I'll post the link to the video of where I got the idea from in the description box. And I'm just kind of making these skinny versus like if it was gonna be like a cover or anything, because I wanted to actually fit inside the sticker album, which I'll show you in a minute. So yep, even with my little $20 thing, it cut pretty clean right through. And then I just kind of take the scissors and go around and just kind of clean up any little excess that I didn't want to kind of use in the little cutting mat thing. I really did enjoy this. I think I only bought 1 pack of chopping mats because I was kind of skeptical. But I am definitely going to go back and get some more because I'm working on this sticker album for both my capital sheet designs one and my Happy Planner one. So I'm going to definitely get some more, especially now that I know I can get 4 out of 1 pack. So I'm going to probably get like 2 more chopping mats because I'm categorizing my stickers based on like boxes, lists, florals, different things like that. So I think I'm probably gonna end up having like 13 sections, and I'm gonna get some expander discs to put them on, or I might just split it into 2 separate books. I haven't quite figured that part out yet, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys as I was making it, the journey of getting there, because I've never done this before. So I was like, oh, let's see how this goes. This is the finished product, and I liked how it had the rounded corners at the top. Kind of made it look a little bit better to me. So here's what I had so far. I already had like 2 in this book already, and I'm gonna put this 3rd one in here to separate the check boxes from the florals. I'm snapping really good. Putting that elbow grease in helped, definitely. So yeah, I'm gonna be continuing to work on this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know if you were able to do it in the comments below. See you later.